Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Monday and a great weekend. Boy, we thought we were going to see some snow, maybe some snow and rain over the weekend. It was beautiful. 43 degrees on Saturday, upper 30s yesterday. Not so fortunate today. We had a lot more clouds as we check out our weather window from this afternoon and we head up to Lake Wenatchee. You can see those low-hanging clouds around the Cascades and maybe even some light flurries falling that way. And we do have snow in our forecast. In fact, here in the Wenatchee Valley, we could pick up as much as anyone in the state from this little system that's moving through along with cold air from Canada. We could see 1 to 2 inches in Wenatchee. Same goes for Chelan and up into Winthrop. Also over into Stevens Pass, about the same, 1 to 2 inches. And it gets a little less as you travel to Cooley Dam, Moses Lake, George area. You might not see anything as we get into overnight and early Tuesday morning, but do expect some snowfall as we make our way into tonight. Temperature-wise, it's going to cool down after this cold front moves through. We are looking at highs only in the mid to upper 20s for Tuesday into Wednesdays. Check out those lows, mid-teens the next couple of days before we begin a slow warm-up as we head into this upcoming weekend. We'll talk more about that in a second. Today's high temperature, it was a cool one, unofficially 29 degrees. That's 9 degrees below where we should be for this time of year. 38 is our normal high. How about this record? Not that long ago either. 59 degrees. That record set in 2018. We were at 21 this morning. 26 is our normal low temperature for this time of year. And look at that record low. 15 below, set in 1996. That is in the top 5 coldest overnight temperatures we've ever recorded in Wenatchee. Sunrise 7:23 and the sun set at 5:06. We're gaining light. In fact, we're going to gain almost an hour and a half of light just in the month of February. Temperatures as we get you into Tuesday, it's going to stay on the cool side. 31 in Moses Lake and Ephrata, 30 degrees in Quincy, only in the 20s from Ellensburg into Wenatchee, 26s for Eniat and Chelan, 25 for the high temperature in Omak, and mid-20s for both Leavenworth and Cashmere tomorrow afternoon. So expect a couple of cool days as we make our way through this week. Tonight we are seeing an area of low pressure that's just sitting off our coastline, and that's bringing some clouds our way. It's almost a pineapple express, and most of the activity will be to our east, but there's that snow that we expect tonight. Low temperatures around 20. For Tuesday, get ready for some morning snow flurries and then mostly cloudy skies by afternoon. As you can see, very scattered snow on Tuesday. We are going to cool down. Highs tomorrow only in those mid to upper 20s. For your Wednesday, midweek, mostly cloudy. The low moves a little bit closer to our coastline. That'll bring clouds our way and about a 20% chance of snow on Wednesday. Highs again only in those mid to upper 20s, so we're going to be about 10 degrees below where we should be for this time of year. By the time we get into Thursday, low pressure slides to the south, and you can see a large area of high pressure beginning to try and build in, although we will be partly cloudy Thursday and still chilly. High temperatures in those upper 20s. Things will get a little better as we get into the end of the week on Friday. This area of low pressure will bring us some clouds, so we'll call it partly cloudy on Friday. The good news, we're going to warm up just a little bit. Low 30s afternoon high temperatures on Friday. And then for the upcoming weekend, high pressure will dominate our weather picture. We're going to see partly cloudy skies Saturday, and we're going to continue with that slow warm up as well, with highs Saturday in the mid 30s, and that will be an improvement compared to what we're going to see tomorrow and for Wednesday. And then by Sunday, mostly sunny skies, high pressure not going anywhere. Going to stay on the cool side though for this time of year, with highs on Sunday in the low to mid 30s. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, 21 overnight tonight. Get ready for maybe a morning flurry, 27 your high, but keep in mind there probably will be a little bit of snow on the ground tomorrow as you make that morning commute. A slight chance for snow Wednesday and 27, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy Thursday into Friday. Looks like Thursday our last real chilly day, 28, 32 for the high Friday. And then for this weekend, partly cloudy Saturday, mostly sunny on Sunday, with high temperatures in the low to mid 30s. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.